For me, when I went to secondary school, I was nervous at the start. It's a big change, you know, again, you're moving from somewhere you're used to, you're comfortable with, you know all the teachers, and then you're going up to a secondary school where, you know, you're in the same school as 14, 15-year-olds. So it's a big change, it's a big responsibility, but it's, again, you get to meet new people that you have friendships with forever. So, you know, cherish it, embrace it, and do your best.
It's good to reassure the kids. I know they're probably all a bit nervous about sort of taking that next step, but it's all a part of growing up. You know, we've been there, done it, and we can reassure them that, you know, at the start it might be quite hard, but after the first couple of weeks when they're settled in, you know, they'll start enjoying life and enjoying school, and the friendships they're probably making in secondary school will be the ones that they keep forever.
You know, when you've been at a club or a job for so long, or school, you create friendships that last forever, and you know, you go from going in every day to seeing them and then not seeing them and not speaking as much. So it's difficult, but you also get an opportunity to meet new people and create the same bonds.
What is the best thing about being a professional footballer?
Best thing for me about being a professional footballer is every day you go to work and you get to hang out with your friends, play football and listen to them and learn from them and improve every day.
If football didn't exist, what would your dream job be?
Probably something not academic, probably like a DJ or something like that.
A DJ?
Yeah, I like my music, so that would have been my dream job if I weren't a footballer.